talk about how can you enable future read content notifications on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your apps. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just click here on account settings here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on manage notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down and you come here to future read content. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean future read content notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.